Trust me when I tell you that you cannot hustle your way to wealth. I make money, they make money, and the client gets satisfied. More money in 2023. Cheerios. I know a lot of people come on here to talk about how to level up like a boss, how to be classy, how to be a high value woman, how to look expensive, how to be the girl of your dream, how to be this, how to be that. We know. But none of them are teaching you how to level up financially, how to actually be like them. They are not giving you the intro to between you and I. We know that. I mean, you can look expensive when you're broke, and you can't be a boss when you ain't got no money. Take it from me. I mean, this video is really, really funny, okay? But you can't look like them if you don't know what you do. Okay, which is why in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways to level up financially in 2023. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, then sit back and keep on watching. Hello, if this is your first time here, you're welcome. My name is Adisha Lami. And if you want to learn how to make money, how to grow your money, and basically if you want to learn how to become financially independent, start by subscribing to this channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification right beside it so you can get notified when I drop another video. Now I'm not going to waste most of your time, so let's get right into it. The first way to level up financially is to create other sources of income. Now, most of us are taught that if you want to live a good life, you have to go to a college or go to a university, get a degree, and work until you're 65. Now, the money we earn is called an active income, which is a type of income that comes from working a job that required our time and energy. The plot twist is that you can go to a university, get a job, work until you're 65, and still not live the kind of life that you love. Personally, I've decided not to go through that route, which is why I've created other sources of income for myself, like passive income, investment income, and even inherited income. All you have to do is look around you. There are definitely things you can pick up and things you feel like you can do better than the people that are currently doing it. A very good example is if you live in an estate like I was previously living. Okay, I live in an estate now, but this kind of service is probably not going to work here. Okay, but where I used to stay, it was a better estate. Let's just use that word. It was a better estate, and the kind of services that I would have probably been rendering then, if I had time, would have been a cleaning services, because I feel like they do not have a lot of cleaners in that place. And personally, what I would do would be to register a cleaning company and then just create stickers, just make stickers, stick them on their gates. You always see that for gas, for plumber, for AC, you see that everywhere. So stick it on their gates, or need a cleaner, contact me, put their number. And after doing that, I would recruit people that would be working for me. So it's going to be like a contract. You work, you get paid. But I would be the one they are contacting. They pay me, I get people to do the job, and then I pay them. I make money, they make money, and the client gets satisfied. That is just a very simple job to do. You require no skill, no previous experience. You just need to be smart. So just look around you and pick up something you feel like people are probably not doing right. Do that, and you will see that you're going to make a lot of money. Okay, there are definitely other ones that you can obviously pick up as well. So point number 2 is budgeting and savings. It's all nice and good when you're making a lot of money, when you have multiple sources of income, but you are not able to keep track of your expenses, or you're not even sure if you're saving towards your financial goals. Savings is obviously not going to make you rich, it only creates an opportunity. Budgeting, however, makes it easier for you to pay bills on time, create an emergency fund, or even save towards a major expenses like a car or a home or whatever it is you want to do. For example, I'm currently saving towards my 27th birthday that I do not have any plans for yet. And what I do in this kind of saving plan is that I don't have a dedicated amount of money that I put there. Most of the time when I have free money, like if, for example, I beg for money from my husband and I request for like 5,000 naira, and I probably get like 10,000 naira. That's 5,000 naira free money. Okay, I just save that 5,000 naira free money towards my 27th birthday. But that way, I just don't go dipping my hands into funds that aren't meant for celebrating my birthday just for the sake of celebrating my birthday. When the time to celebrate the birthday comes and I probably do not want to celebrate the birthday, maybe I just want to use the money to get a new clothes, a new shoe, or maybe I just want to buy a new hair, then I know that okay, because I saved this money towards my birthday, I would be able to pick that money easily and just use it to get that hair or get the shoe or get the bag, whatever it is I want to get. So basically, budgeting just puts you on a stronger financial footing on both the day to day and the long term. Point number three is investing, and I really, really love this word. If you've been following my channel for a while, you know this is one of the things I talk about the most on this channel. And when I tell you that you can invest with as little as $10 as 1,000 naira, a lot of people be like, they think they need a whole lot of money to invest. Trust me, you only need little and you can build your way up. So this is obviously one of the best ways you can get to the big bag. Honey, if you're still keeping your money in the bank, you ain't gonna make more money. You ain't gonna level up financially. And trust me when I tell you that you cannot hustle your way to wealth. You have to build it. Investing has to be one of the ways I've made money in 2021 and 2022. And the secret to building wealth is by investing a part of your income every week or every month consistently for a long period of time. It is also important that you learn how to diversify your investment to minimize risk. If you would like to know how much money I've made from investment, how I've invested, please make sure you check the description box. I'm going to be putting some of videos there. Learn how much I've invested, how much I've made, and some of the apps I've actually used to invest, which will be linked in the description box. Point number four is to be debt free. It is very, very important to learn how to stay off debt as much as possible if you want to level up financially. Well, of course, except you are going to be taking a good debt or you have a good debt, because apparently a lot of people tend to get a loan just to buy a new phone, get a loan just to buy a new car, get a loan to buy a new TV when they still have a car, when they have a TV and they have a phone that is properly working. If you want to get a loan and you want to incur debt, then you should definitely be looking at getting stuff that will make more money. For example, the rich people, they use their debt to get assets, or the poor, they use their debt to get liabilities. That is the difference. So if you are neither a rich man or a poor man and you just want to stay in the middle, learn how to balance your debt. Do not get debt, do not get loans for things that are irrelevant. In essence, don't use your debt to acquire liabilities. Always use it to acquire assets that you are sure that will generate you more money. Okay, more money in 2023. Period. Point number five is to seek professional advice when needed. But the challenge with this is that only the rich people can afford it. People like you and I can obviously not afford it. So the best way to seek our own professional advice or some advice is to keep up with trends, read books, or even watch videos like this. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is solely for educational purposes only. But if you are rich and you can afford to get a financial advisor, I would suggest that you get one. That way it can help you diversify your income even more, and it would be able to tell you what to do and what not to do, so you don't be like us and just putting all your eggs in one basket. So an advisor is someone that is really, really informed about finances, how to make money, how to basically make sure that you are not losing a lot of money. That is the work of a financial advisor, and he or she would be able to advise you on what investment to make, on what risk you should be taking, and basically everything as regards to your investment, your assets, and all of the things that is going to be generating you more money. So we've come to the end of this video. I've shared with you 5 tips on how you can level up financially and be that girl boss that everybody has been talking about. Okay, stop sleeping. 2023 don't dull. Or how did they say? Right. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful at all, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the post notification bell right beside it. Take again when I post another video. Stay safe, stay fabulous, and I'm going to see you in my next one.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste quedó en